Salam everyone, I hope that you all are doing great. So today we're making cheesy baked pasta. Here I'm dicing 3 medium tomatoes. Take a pan and add in 1/4 cup of oil. When the oil gets heated, add in 500 grams of boneless chicken. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of Tikka masala. Next, add in the tomatoes that we diced earlier. Now add in a tablespoon of yogurt. Cover and keep it on low flame. Till then we'll be boiling the pasta. In boiling water, I added about a tablespoon of salt. Next goes in 400 grams of pasta. I used the butterfly shape. You can go for your favorite shape. Keep checking the chicken and give it a stir. Here you can see that the chicken is completely tendered. Keep it on medium flame till the water gets evaporated. Meanwhile, I strained the water from the pasta as it was boiled. Water from the chicken is evaporated. Now we'll give it some cold smoke. Now it's time to prepare the white sauce, and for that I took 2 tablespoons of butter, When the butter gets melted, add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure that you keep stir-frying. Turn off the flame and then add in 2 cups of milk. Make sure that you stir it constantly. When the consistency of the sauce gets thick, turn off the flame. When the sauce gets on room temperature, add in some salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time to assemble. So first pour half of the white sauce in the baking pan. Spread it evenly, next goes in half of the boiled pasta. Next goes in half of the prepared chicken. Spread some cheese and then repeat the same procedure. Spread your favorite herbs. I used oregano and thyme. Top it with your favorite toppings. That's it for today. It's a humble request from my side. If you're watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more appetizing videos. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care, live long.